Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. Today I'm going to be doing a beauty vlog. So I'm basically going to be just putting on makeup, however I'm comfortable with, and just have fun. But before I get started with the video, I do want to thank you for the wonderful subscribers for giving me comments. And I did a video today talking about like if you're being bullied and like you're afraid, don't worry. And there's another comment today I got from a subscriber about the same things about my title and the race and whatever. I just want to say, and I did comment on this subscriber. Like I said, there is nothing I can do to make you happy because I did I did add my title on something. When it shows something about this description and other stuff, I don't have anything for description. So, and then you're showing me like there's the one like. And like I said, I don't like when I know people are trying to help me when it comes to my video and all these whatever. But if you don't know how to support me, don't show those stuff, don't watch it, move on to the next. I know you're saying my videos are good, but you're not helping. You're not helping what you want me to do because I don't have no description. I don't have no anything you want me to do. Yes, a person's gonna like one like on my video, and that's okay. So, and like I said, I don't care about negativity, but I had to put it out there to just let you guys know. Please, this goes to that subscriber. If you don't know how to help and support, then find another subscriber who you can go and help because maybe this is not the channel that's meant for you, and there's nothing I can do about it. Okay, because whatever I do on my channel and whatever I do on my platform, there is nothing I can do to change it up. So you guys want me to grow, and I am doing the best I can because, like I said, Um, I'm the only one doing these videos on my own. So there is nothing I can do to improve that because no matter what I do, you're going to get negativity. So, like I said, I wanted to just put it out because, like I said, when I see the same thing every day, you're not helping enough. And even if I do have description, I don't have nothing for description. So if there's nothing there, I don't have nothing for description. So that's all I gotta say. I don't like being negative, but hey, I guess you wanna get me mad, so I come on here and just put that out because I I did everything you want me to do, and then you're showing me my score is 3 point something, whatever. But I don't know, man. Just I don't want to be negative, but whatever. Like forget the haters, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna be doing a beauty vlog, like I mentioned in the video. So I'm just gonna put on makeup because we are in a new year and we are in a new month. So let's get started with the makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting with Burt's Bee foundation. I had this 4 years ago, and I'm going to use a beauty blender. I finally have a beauty blender. So this one is a Sheen beauty blender. So and I will wash my face at some point, so that's okay. So I'm gonna be putting on some. Oh yeah, and before I get started, you guys know this channel is not a negative channel for I mentioned. I think I may have put too much foundation on my face, but we're gonna rub it out. Okay, guys, I just wanted to tell you this is not a negative channel. Um, what I wanted to say. But you guys understand me. I know my channel's not big, and I know you guys want to help me, but there's nothing else I can do. Like I don't have no description, and when you do that, it makes the person feel like they're not doing enough, and I don't know what you want me to do. Oh my gosh, I look gold right now, like white gold. I think I may have put too much foundation. That's the thing about makeup you need to learn. Do not put too much foundation. And this lighting is very good, so I can just rub all the foundation that's off my face, and then I may have put way too much foundation, but we're gonna bear it, okay? So, um, I wanted to talk to you guys since we're doing this makeup thing about bullying. So, if you are a young YouTuber, like maybe younger than me or older than me, I want you guys to understand if you guys struggle with bullying, please do not worry. I struggled with it when I was younger. When I was like, say, 12 years old till now, I struggle with bullying. Bullying is not something to hide. Like, first time, I was always ashamed to hide about bullying, okay? And like, knowing that if you feel that one person or more can put you down, they cannot. They're just jealous of you. They just want your self-esteem because they don't like themselves, you know? And what helps me every day is watching things on TV, looking for quotes, and like just doing things that motivates me to do whatever I can, you know. But I know a lot of times like bullying is not an easy process, but I know like you don't have to be afraid because I've been bullied ever since I was a kid till now, and you know, I grow unto this age where if I see a person on the road or anybody in general or anybody online who even tries to bully me, like I don't even business. Because it's like, why do you care about people like that? Who's just gonna put you down and make you feel low. So when I saw that comment yesterday, because someone was commenting on my video and I was like, what they were talking about? And then they were telling me like I'm the best creator, and I also want to thank that subscriber who said I'm like the best creator as a woman. I want to thank you for that. I have to say thank you. So thank you again because you know sometimes it's so good to say thank you to somebody. It's like a gift. You know, you're blessing them, and they know that you're showing good appreciation. So I appreciate that. Okay, guys. I think I look good. I know in the light it makes me look white, but that's the thing about foundation. I may have put too much on my face, but that's okay. Okay. So the next thing is I'm going to be putting eyeliner on my eye. So yeah, guys, another thing I'm gonna do this one. This is called Maybelline. So I'm gonna put this on my eye. I still look white. Like the light makes me look white, but it's okay. So yeah, guys, I want to tell you, like, don't ever be afraid of being confident in your own skin. And if you feel like, say, a person doesn't business with you, it's because they're jealous of you. You know, many times in my life, like, I always noticed, like, you know, people were jealous of me. But now I know I'm like, my own business, you know what I mean? Because you can't fix a person. Because I still look white. I still look white. I think I put way too much foundation, but I think because this lighting, it makes me look white, like bright, white, like white. But it's okay. That's what happens when you know when you're doing makeup. And I've been doing makeup since I was 15, so when experience. All right, so yeah, guys. So if you ever um I'm trying to find something here. So yeah, guys, if you ever felt like use this eyeliner, the name kind of come out. I'm gonna put this on my eye. Yeah, guys, if you ever felt like the person didn't business with you, please recommend not wear it, because they're not making you happy, you know. So that's why when I saw that comment, I'm like, man, I remember myself being bullied. But you know what? It's good to help other people in the world, because like maybe a lot of people in the world have struggled with bullying. So that's like number one priority of that. Okay. All right. So now I'm gonna put on some of my Sephora lipstick. I love this so much. It's so nice, so good. This is what people do if they're putting on lipstick. They do that. Okay. And then sometimes like you can comb your eyebrows, make them look fancy in that nice kind of a way. And then make sure if you want with the brush, make it look more, so it can look more. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to use the one and only. I don't know if you guys remember my Sephora makeup. Let me pause for 2 seconds. Alright, so like I was saying, I don't know if you guys remember the Sephora makeup. This looks not bad, guys, from afar. Look good. I'm gonna put something on my eyes right here, and we'll be done the video. I think I'm gonna use this color because it kind of blends with my lipstick a little bit. I'm doing beauty makeup vlog today, and this is what it looked like. Okay, and then the same with this eye. And then there's gonna be one more thing that I see a lot of people who do it. I have not done it, so I'm going to do it in this video today. Okay. So I'm gonna pause and then I will come back. Alright. I'm back. Ooh, this looks good. Alright, so now, wait, there's one more thing. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so I'm going to do one more thing for Vaseline on my lips, so the lipstick doesn't look too shiny on me. That's another goal in makeup. Okay. Now, I see a lot of people do these type of things. They spray. Okay? And voila. Now, My face hydrated, and this is the makeup look. I'm not gonna say this looks very, very good. Like for me, knowing like I'm not gonna say I'm good with makeup, but this looks very, very good and talented. Like I actually just love it. And my face, like the lipstick blends, the eyes, everything blends. Okay. Let me end this here. Alright, hi guys. So I'm gonna be washing my makeup brushes. This is what I see people do all the time because you want to get rid of the makeup, right? Even though maybe I use maybe one brush, but I'm still gonna wash them. I need to shake them. Same with this one. I never use none of these, but in case I use them, you wash them and they will look good same way. And I think that will be it for today's video. Okay, I put them back in its little case. Okay, all right. Alright, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty vlog makeup tutorial for 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of the makeup. And, guys, I was doing this in my hair. I did a little short video putting these beads. I show a little shots so you guys can go check that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And, the makeup looks good. It's been a while. I've been putting on makeup often. Not often, but here and there I'll put on makeup. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And you guys know, I'm sorry, you know me already. I don't like being negative on my channel, but just to give y'all know, that's what I was going, right? But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And I just want to say thank you to the subscribers for giving me comments, watching my videos. I appreciate you guys so much. And stay tuned for Wednesday's vlog. I have a vlog you guys are going to enjoy. And you guys will probably see this one maybe later, like when the week's ending, okay? But I'm in this vlog right here. Stay tuned for my next upload, okay? Bye!